All right, so here's the Earth. Now, you've exported your raw data and you've inverted your data so it's EC values, and now you need to run your EC values through the R program to aggregate and simplify it so you can process it in arc maps. To do that, you open up the R program. We have one that was pre-written by Jennifer King's old grad student Yang. He made the bind and the trial. We're gonna use bind in this case, and you use bind when you have, when you're conducting a survey and for whatever reason your files got disconnected. So say it took you 2 or 3 or 4 files to do one survey, you combine these separate files into one in the bind R program. You would use trial if you only had one file and you just need to simplify the data. So to do that, I like to work out of R Studio, and this is what it looks like. And then the first thing you got to do is in line 4, enter in your folder path file, path name. So put it right here. Next thing you do is in lines 7 and 8, you're going to enter in the files that you want to combine. We're going to be working on with 79.ec, 80.ec, and these are the EC values that were outputted after we inverted them. If you had extra files, you could just copy these lines of code. Like, say you're working with 3 files or 4, you could just copy these and then post them down here and make little minor adjustments, and then you could add in more files like that. But we just have 2, so we're going to use these 2. So you just copy and paste. Line 7, copy and paste line 8, and then you're gonna go down and you're gonna hit line 79. So line 79 is when you change the name of the file that you are gonna have outputted in your folder. We're dealing with academic green, so I'm gonna leave it like that, but I'm gonna change the date. 2017, I like underscores, and it makes it look nice. We did it on September, and then we did it on the 8th. And then before you can run this, there's 2 more things you have to do, and that is import some packages. So on line 12, you have this thing called library zoo. Zoo is an add-on. You can kind of see how it like highlighted all those, it's cool, whatever. But to add it in, you go to packages, install zoo. That, install, and then you'll know it's done when it says successfully. Go. Did that say successful? Whatever. I think it's good. And then we do again the same thing for library stat. So packages, install, stat. And that is on line 82. And we'll see it go. Cool, yeah, there it is, successfully unpackaged. And then we're ready to run it. So we just highlight the whole thing, at least that's what I like to do, and click run. And you'll know it successfully went through when this little image to the side comes out with a square loop right there. So we're good. We can minimize this. Let's go check our folder, see if it's there. I could have just refreshed, but. And awesome, all right, so we got this one down here, that's what we named it. September 12th, 337. Let's open it up and check it out. And you can see a little before and after. We combined this 79, has all these columns, all these rows and values, into this nice little bad boy. The last thing we gotta do is switch columns B and C, because for whatever reason, the lat and long gets switched out. And if you were to try and upload it as it was into ArcGIS, it would be sent to an unknown coordinate system. So once you switch those out, it will find the proper projection. Save that. And you're good to upload this now, academic greens, whatever, CSV Excel into ArcMaps.